Hello creatives, and welcome to our tutorial on how to navigate quickly and efficiently in Flyingshapes. On your secondary controller, press and hold the grip button with your middle finger. Now when you move your controller, the whole scene is moving with it. Okay, now keep that secondary grip button pressed, and in addition, also press the grip button of your primary controller. Now you can scale your scene by simply bringing your controllers closer together. Once you scale your scene like that, you can move around very quickly. For example, to go to the rear wheel, just put your controller right there, press and hold the grip button, and pull yourself over. Keep the grip button pressed and bring your primary controller really close to the secondary one. Then, in addition, press and hold the grip button of your primary controller and move the two controllers apart until you're back to your desired scale. This kind of movement takes a bit of practice, but it's very quick and efficient, and you will get used to it in no time. If you want your model to stand exactly straight and firmly on the ground in full scale, just take your secondary controller, press and hold the grip button, and flick your thumbstick to the left. The navigation methods I just showed you are the quickest and easiest way to move in Flyingshapes. However, in some cases, especially during design reviews, it can still make sense to use teleporting. For this, just press the thumbstick on your primary controller forward. Then place the blue teleport where you want to go. The orange arrow shows the direction you'll be facing after teleporting. Change it by simply rotating your wrist. Then release the thumbstick and ta-da, you're there. Later on, you can always return to your last teleport position if you just press and hold the grip button of your secondary controller, then flick the thumbstick to the left 2 times and bang, you're back. Sometimes it can help to have a stable perspective while navigating or reviewing designs. For this, you can use the lock Y-axis function, which restricts movement to the horizontal plane, preventing vertical adjustments.